Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new continuation, actually, unboxing from the kind people at Beebeecraft. They sent me a whole bag full of beautiful items. We've been slowly going through them. We're going to just grab the next item. I believe this is the second last item. Yeah, and we're going to take a look at it. I'm very excited to see this, actually. So I didn't know they had these, and I don't know what they're going to look like, but I thought they looked super interesting, don't they? And also, I think this is something I could learn to make myself, so I was very interested in that. So, what is in here? Let's grab one out and see. And you know me and bags. Trying to find the end that opens. So we have some yarn crafts here. It's like macrame. So what these are, this is called the Globeland 6-piece 6-color flower cotton hanging photo frames for car cotton braided photo holder pendant decorations. So, well, for this one, for example, they take the gray ones. So you take the picture, and these go around the corners. And these 3 ones hold it in the back in place. So the picture kind of sits ahead. I wish I had a tiny little picture to show you, but I don't have anything. It's a shame they didn't just put a little piece of cardboard in there to show you. No, I don't have anything. I thought maybe I did, but no. But anyway, I'll show you the website. That'll be the easiest. But let's take a look at all of them. So we have this blue one. And we have another blue one. Let's take it out. Why is it so hard to figure out which end is which? Like, I would swear this is the end. To me, this feels like it's the end. It's got to be the end, right? But it's not. Look, it's this end. This looks like the end where I would unwrap it, but it's not. So let's see what we have here. Pretty. So these are super cute. And this color. And this color kind of goes with that. These are very different. I've never seen these. I was a child in the 70s. I was born in 1964. And I remember learning macrame with my aunt. And we used to make a lot of macrame owls that sit on the wall with like driftwood. And they were just decorations. And we made a lot of macrame plant hangers. And these kind of remind me of the macrame plant hangers. And I used to love doing macrame. Yeah, I made so many owls and plant hangers and gave them away as gifts. And hanging plants were really big in the 70s. And the macrame owls, I think they're coming back. Because I think I saw on Temu that they were selling the macrame owl sets. I wouldn't mind doing one again. I used to love doing it when I was little. I like that color. And last but not least, we have one with some lilac color, purpley. I love colors. I love all the different colors. I don't think there's any color I really don't like. They all have their place, you know? You need all the colors to make something beautiful. You can't leave out colors. And if you watch this channel, you know how much I buy art supplies in all the different colors and shades, and I love it. Isn't that pretty? So I know you can't feel it, but I wish you could feel how soft this yarn is. It's super soft. So yeah, these are a little bit worse for wear from their trip. So they need to stay out of the bags. I will probably hang these up on a hanger to let them hang. And I might even get a clothespin and hang them like this in between two different things just so they stretch out a bit. Because they were in those little bags for such a long time. But look how pretty they are. So let's grab them all together so you can see them all together. Aren't they lovely? Which one do you like best? We've got purple. We've got like a greeny color. It's showing up blue in my camera. But I notice sometimes when I'm looking through my camera and it doesn't look the right color, for some reason my editing software puts it back to the right color. It's really strange. We've got like a sunflowery color, a peach color, a white flower, and a blue. They're all really beautiful. And the photos or the pictures get hung over here. So what I'm going to do, and you can see the nice wooden bead. So these all look handmade. They're beautiful. Whoever made them did a great job. Thank you to whoever made these. I don't believe this is something that could be made by a machine. Like, to me, this is something you would have to hand make. What do you think? Do they have macrame machines? Maybe I just don't know. But these are beautiful. And the yarn is super, like, it feels really nice. Yeah, they did a great job. So, I'm going to put these down. We're going to head over to the website so you can get a better idea of what these look like. Okay, guys. So, here we are over at the beebeecraft.com website. You can see up here in the search bar, beebeecraft.com. And this is the page for they're called Globeland 6-piece, 6-color flower cotton hanging photo frames. I would call these macrame, but let me click on it so you can get a little, well, it's not actually bigger there. Sometimes when you click on it, it makes it bigger over here, but it's not really doing that. So you can see how the papers would fit in to make them frames just like that. And they've got different pictures. They show the size. Here they're showing them hanging up. Yeah, they're very pretty. I like them a lot. My plan was to make some little mini paintings with these. So today they are $17.19 Canadian for the set of 6. They're super cute. And Beebeecraft, they have all kinds of different things that you could order. And if you scroll down, you can get a 2-piece set that are keychains that are also very similar. They have some crochet items. They have all kinds of things that you could order. So yeah, it's a really nice website, you guys. And also, I have it English and Canadian, but you could set it for whatever language you speak and your currency as well. And you could save things to your love list, and yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, okay, it's making it bigger now. I wonder why it wasn't doing it before. So I really like these. I think they're super cute, and we are going to head back to the regular video in a second. But I just wanted to remind you that if you use the coupon code CAT10, you will get 10% off this or any order if you decide to order from Beebeecraft. All right, let's head on back. Okay, guys, so aren't those cool? I cannot wait. I am going to paint some little pictures that will fit in there. I'm just going to have to cut paper down to the right size. And I think that will be fun and so cute. Maybe I will put one in my car. They're for your car. Maybe I'll paint something in my car and hang it in my car. That'd be fun. All right, you guys. So that is it. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft, for sending me these. They're just lovely. I really love them. I can't even decide which one I like the best. Right now, my eye is getting really caught by this color, but I also, these colors right here were my high school colors, blue and gold. They're all very beautiful. Yeah, they're really gorgeous. All right, guys, so what do you think? Which one is your favorite? And if you want to buy these or anything else on the Beebeecraft website, don't forget to use coupon code CAT10 for 10% off your entire order. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft, for the coupon code. That was so kind of you. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video and for spending time with me today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those wonderful things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Happy shopping. Happy knitting. Happy whatever it is you love to do. And remember, always find something that you love and put time into it because you are important. Okay, guys. Bye.